they're all for moving. I think that's a good thing. Whoa, whoa! It works!
That looks to be wired correctly.
Woohoo!
It's alive!
So we're back up again this morning. We're gonna try this again with more light and kind of see what's going on with it. The arm definitely works, so.
Time for some new shoes on the van house. I actually wanted to put a little bigger tire on for some more clearance, but obviously you can tell by the clearance or lack thereof, that's not going to happen. So anyway, these are the original tires. Been pretty happy with them, but we're going to go with a little more all-terrain, more rock puncture resistance, just for all the boondocking we do out in BLM land, the National Forest. We would drive on some pretty rough stuff, and I just want the peace of mind of a little sturdier tire. So gonna head off to Les Schwab and get her done. Beefy.
We're here today with my nephew Grayson, and we're gonna go fly kites.
Yay! Well guys, we are at the beach right now, and as you can see, we're pretty good. It's go, 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 go time. Time to go hard. Make sure you subscribe